revived what we call the National Entrepreneurship Innovative Program, NEP. That will provide startup capital for young people, young graduates who finish and have an entrepreneurial mindset. Once you have an entrepreneurial mindset and you apply through the National Entrepreneurship Innovative Program, you definitely get that startup capital. That 1 CD, 2 CD that you cannot get for yourself, you get it to start up your business.
The Sam-Jonah Business Administration Students Association, SJBASA, of the African University of Communication and Business, AUCB, has successfully held its maiden business fair. The event served as a platform for the students to put into practice the knowledge they have acquired in the lecture hall, with about 50 students participating in various business and service development projects. Speaking to the news team, a multifaceted entrepreneur, educator, and business coach, Mrs. Anane Awuku, emphasized the importance of determination over intelligence.
I think the youth, what we just witnessed, is a good start. It inspires me to see the youth thinking entrepreneurial. It inspires me seeing the youth come up with innovative ideas like this. If we close our eyes and think of things around us, we realize that almost everything that was created by man came out of a very small idea in somebody's mind. So just as they have started or they are being trained to come up with ideas like this, we as entrepreneurs already in the industry need to come around and let them know that it's possible. And that is exactly what I have come together with the other speakers to share experiences and to boost their confidence in whatever they're doing. I don't think you need to be the number one in your class to be able to become a successful entrepreneur. There are people who don't even have certificates from universities or don't have formal education, but they have come up with very innovative ideas that have created a lot of jobs for people. So we shouldn't downplay the fact that education is not good. It is good, but let's encourage whoever can come up with any idea with a little support, with the necessary training. They can do mind-blowing things that will save the world. I think the youth, first of all, should read white. They should learn from people that have been very innovative and supportive. So depending on the area you want to go, what I told the general public right now was that I haven't had the opportunity to sit with mentors or people that have done exceedingly abundantly well, but I have used social media to learn a lot from people on YouTube, to learn a lot of people I have not even met. So the youth shouldn't just use the social media for things that are not so productive. Yes, you can watch the things that will make you laugh, but if you really want to become a very inspirational and powerful person in the country, you need to gear towards people who are powerful. Learn from them, watch their stories online, and use that to inspire yourself. Because we say like poles attract. So if you really want to be like someone, you need to let the person's work attract you, and you need to learn more from what they are doing.
Participating students expressed their excitement about the experience, describing it as an eye-opener and a valuable opportunity to gain real-world business exposure.
This is a product we came up with. It's called Detox, Glow Up Detox Drink, which features two varieties. We have the passion fruit and we have the green detox. And the passion fruit contains mango, milk, honey, and mango, milk, honey. Then you blend it, no sugar, nothing. And the detox drink contains cucumber, mint, green ginger, and lemon. I'm very conscious with my health in the first place, so that is what brought up with us coming up with this product as really. So because I really like eating healthy, maintaining my weight, and not, the healthy lifestyle, yes.
And it has been a very challenging program. I never knew, as human as we are or students, we can come up with a whole lot of creativity and innovative product as such. And trust me, if you don't challenge yourself, you can't make anything happen. And words from all the stakeholders giving us all the assurances, the partnership opportunities to explore, and also to come out with our good thoughts. Charlie, it means a lot to us. And what matters most that I've learned here is that, To you as an individual, it seems impossible and very difficult to make it happen. But when you come together as a group, though it may be very difficult at the initial stage, but yet it's worth it.
AUCB has been in existence for a very long time, and they've been one of the most relevant private institutions or private universities since their inception. They've channeled out very great individuals, and I think their quality of education extends beyond the classroom. You know, they empower you, the person, or you, the student, to discover yourself beyond academics, to discover yourself in various areas. So that is what inspired me, because if I look at the kind of alumni or all students that come from AUCC, they are in all fields, they are in diverse fields, and they are actually leading in their fields. So I decided to come here to also be part of that family.
I've learned a lot, which simply means like a group work, that I have seen a lot, that if you are going to achieve your target or a group work, you have to work together. So at the end of the day, all of you can share equally ideas to come up with whatever that you are expected to produce.